Good Tuesday, everyone. Our weather map shows an active weather day across portions of the southern plains and the lower Mississippi River Valley. The strongest severe thunderstorms will stay confined to Texas and Louisiana, but my goodness, some of them could pack a punch. The red shaded region you see, which extends up into West Tennessee, that's for a flash flood risk, so they'll be on the lookout for some heavy downpours of rain today. Yesterday, West Tennessee had some strong thunderstorms move through. Severe thunderstorm warnings were issued for several of those. Golf ball sized hail was reported, so they had an active weather evening yesterday. Elsewhere across the country, more showers across portions of the eastern U.S. Then you see a few snow showers flying across portions of Montana and Wyoming and Idaho. I'd say they are more than ready for spring. They've had a wintry spring so far, but the most active weather today by far in the southern plains. Looking at our 5-day forecast brought to you by Clearview Closet and Blind. Visit them at closetandblind.com to see what they can do for you. Showers and thunderstorms today, tomorrow, and Thursday. 90% chance. Probably should have went 100% chance on today because I'm looking at the radar now and I'm seeing this huge shield of rain coming. Highs around 60, south winds 10 to 15, gusts to 20. Tomorrow, highs around 70, but winds pick up just a little bit, gusting to 25. And then on Thursday, the winds really pick up again, gusting to 35. Temperature staying mild until the front comes through Thursday evening, and then we'll drop down into the low 40s for an overnight low Thursday night. And Friday, maybe a morning shower, highs in the mid to upper 50s, it looks like, but a west wind 20 to 25, gusts to 35 as that front pushes through and the drier, cooler air rushes in on those strong winds. Saturday right now looking mostly sunny, highs in the mid to upper 60s with the west wind 10 to 15, gusts to 20 in the afternoon. So far the weekend is looking pretty darn good. Looking at our Premier Generators threat graphic, still got those low end threats for now Wednesday afternoon and evening. I can now get a little bit more specific on the timing on Wednesdays. And then Thursday's timing is a little unclear. Not sure exactly when that front may come through. As soon as that front goes through, the threats will end. But the Storm Prediction Center now has placed our area in the marginal risk for severe weather for both Wednesday and Thursday. So that threat is even increasing in their eyes just a bit. The marginal risk is the lowest of the 5 risk categories. So not looking for a widespread severe weather outbreak. We're just keeping our eyes peeled for that isolated chance for a severe thunderstorm. On this day in 2011, the temperature at Nashville soared to 91 degrees, tying the all-time record high for April for that city. It is also the earliest 90-degree reading on record for Nashville. 1947, a tornado struck Woodward, Oklahoma during the late evening, killing 95 people and causing $6 million in damage. The tornado was 1 to 2 miles wide in width, traveled at almost 70 miles an hour and killed 167 people on its 221-mile path from Texas to Kansas. 980 more injured. This is a very famous tornado in a lot of our meteorology books. It did hit during the late evening, and it was what was interesting about this particular storm is that the whole day had been kind of cloudy and drizzly and kind of cool. And then right at sunset, the sun came out just for a moment, not enough to really heat anything up. But and then the tornado, the supercell with this tornado came through just a little bit later on. So normally you get those hot and humid days, with a lot of sun. This was a warm and humid day in Oklahoma, but everything came together to produce one of the most powerful tornadoes they've ever seen. You folks have a wonderful Tuesday and keep looking up. For more weather information, meteorologistmark.com.